Welcome to the Sound+Vision Studio at the Lawrence Public Library. The Sound+Vision Studio is a fully featured audio-visual creative space provided for free with your library card. The Sound+Vision Studio consists of 4 separate creative spaces, the centerpiece of which is shown here. This is called the S+V Recording Studio. The S+V Recording Studio is made up of 3 separate rooms. This is the control room. It's where you'll monitor your recorded audio and maybe even use our custom red modular synthesizer. The control room is centered around 2 Apogee Element 88 audio interfaces and a PreSonus FaderPort 16 controller. Available audio software includes PreSonus' Studio One, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, Ableton Live 10 Suite, Reaper, FL Studio, GarageBand, and Audacity. Here we see the second room in the S+V Recording Studio, called the Tracking Room. This is where you'll record your instruments or vocals. As you can see, many instruments are already provided for you. Also provided is a great collection of microphones from Rode and Shure. Here we see the third room in the S+V Recording Studio, the Video Room, where lighting, a camera, and a backdrop complete with green screen are provided for recording simple videos, like interviews or live streams. In addition to the 3-room S+V Recording Studio, there are also 3 smaller creative suites. Shown here is Suite A, used for audio recording and editing. Suites B and C provide full Adobe Creative Cloud access and are used for photo and video editing and graphic design. In addition, Suite C offers digitization equipment for transferring analog records, tapes, photographs, and slides to digital. What will you create?